A diabetes diagnosis. A lifelong challenge. Millions face the daily burden of managing insulin delivery, but the clock is ticking for those without affordable, reliable solutions. How can we remove barriers to effective care and improve lives?
This struggle affects patients and their families alike. At UPump, we're reimagining diabetes management with a cost-effective, eco-friendly insulin patch pump. Because when health is at stake, care should be simple and accessible to everyone.
Our innovation, UPump, features painless OneMove installation, AI personalized dosing, and seamless integration with CGMs like Dexcom and Libre. Compact, tubing-free, and user-friendly, it fits effortlessly into daily life, making diabetes care easier than ever.
With UPump, users simply place the device on their skin and press to activate. That's all it takes. By eliminating exposed tubing and complex setups, UPump reduces anxiety and makes diabetes care stress-free and effective.
The replaceable cartridges and precision Swiss engineering ensure sustainability and accuracy, aligned with modern expectation for eco-friendly, reliable healthcare solutions.
The insulin pump market is valued at $4.85 billion in the US. Alone, yet only 20% of insulin-dependent patients use pumps due to high costs and complexity. UPump addresses this gap, making diabetes care affordable, portable, and accessible to millions.
Hi, I am Alexander Sinkevich, CEO of UPump. At UPump, we are driving by a clear mission to make diabetes care more accessible, effective, and affordable for everyone. Backed by years' experience in healthcare innovation, my team and I are dedicated to transforming how diabetes is managed, with the goal of improving lives around the world.
Our subscription-based model guarantees transparency and affordability by removing middlemen. This creates a win-win scenario. Patients gain access to better, more affordable care, while investors have the chance to be part of high-growth opportunity.
The UPump team brings expertise in engineering, healthcare, and innovation. We're driven by a mission to revolutionize diabetes care, empowering patients with better tools for healthier lives.
Join us on WeFunder and invest in UPump. Together, we can transform diabetes management, improving lives while creating meaningful impact in healthcare. Let's build the future of accessible healthcare.